Hello, I'm in a 2011 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you how to brighten or dim your display lights here. So there's a couple things to consider, but typically your easiest scenario is right over here. You should have a toggle button here that it might be pushed in all the way to kind of lock it, but you'll push it and it should pop out, and then you can turn it back and forth to turn on or off the brightness. I'm just going back and forth. If you turn it enough too, you'll even turn these on for you. So I like them bright, so I leave it pretty bright. And then, so you don't turn it on accident, you can depress it here. And then something else, if you're doing, you're having particular issues with this, there's a sensor up here that helps indicate to the car whether it's daytime or nighttime, since it can have like a sensory reading of the sun. So maybe you have something just thrown up here that's covering part of it. That could be causing you issues potentially if you're having something go strange here. It's a little bit dark here, so it thinks it's closer to nighttime for me now, so it automatically will come on brighter. But if, say, it's like the middle of the day and you've got bright sunshine shining in your windshield, that would trigger this sensor to keep these a little more dim for you. So again, if you're having some sort of issue with that, either way, you might have some sort of issue with that, whether it's a connection issue or it's dirty or covered up in some way. But yeah, otherwise I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.